Hi, welcome to Loquiz. Loquiz is a gamification environment that allows you to create games that are location specific, that are information specific, that are even people specific, so you can gamify the different subjects with Loquiz. And in this tutorial I'm going to go through very quickly what can you do with Loquiz on a basic level. First off, let's look at the menus. So on the right side here is the main user menu that will include your own account specific things and also your user specific things. But now to the left here is the group of menus that will actually help you to use the system. The first one on the right is the help, and clicking the help will open the help base right inside the Loquiz. So it's a full Loquiz support base that is searchable. You can always turn to it when something is unclear. Now the second one is the tasks menu, and this will hold all of your tasks. When you first log into the Loquiz, you see that there are some tasks available already. But these tasks are coming from the collection that is public library. It holds over 400 tasks that you can use whenever needed and in any of your games free of charge. When you create your own tasks, they will appear on the list as well, and they will be tagged as you as a creator. Also, please pay attention to the powerful filter list here. This will allow you to filter out tasks that you want to use in your games and in specific occasions. The next up are templates, and the templates are the base where you build your games on. The first option is that you can build your game as a empty page, so starting from empty page. But then there are some other options. There are some free templates available that you can use to create your own games based on these. They are absolutely free to use, and they include very often the tasks as well. So you will also gain the tasks that are within the games. You are welcome to modify and translate the games and tasks in order to suit your needs. Then there are paid templates available as well. Paid templates are templates that other Loquiz users have created. They are usually much more massive than free templates, but they are for the money and you can purchase them directly from the creator. Very often these templates also have additional information about how to run the events, what to look for when running events, so they are pretty complete packages developed by actual people who also sell those games for their work. And then you have some special tools that will help you quickly create specific types of games, and they are not populated with tasks. Now, what you exactly see depends a bit on your package, but what you can always do is that you can create a new game on an empty template, and you can create your own templates if you're creating specific types of games often. Okay, so next up are the games you have created, and when you start the Loquiz, then you have not created any games yet, so this is the place to create your first game. And let's go on and click on the new game, and we are taken to the templates page. So now for us is what we need to decide is that what do we base our game on. We could take a template from here and modify it, or we could go with base that is empty, and we go with the empty game. And the first step always is that you need to add the tasks to a game. Now you can create the tasks here, or you can take something from the collections, or you can use the filters to find the tasks that you want to. But one very important concept to know in Loquiz is that whenever you create a task, it lives outside of the game. That means that always when you create a task, you can use it in all the future games you create. So tasks are something you combine together to form a game. And let's just take 3 tasks from here to showcase the game creation flow. Then second step always is to create the rules. And the rule creation happens in a kind of environment where you can see the 3 windows. The first one here, down here, are the tasks that we just added to the game. We can go back and add more tasks if we want to. And also what you can see is that the same tasks are populated here as blocks. So you can drag and drop them into the rules area to create rules with the tasks. The second window is a map window here, and the map window is needed when you want to activate something in specific location, so you need to assign locations to the tasks. And the third one here is the rules window. This is where you actually create the rules. So let's create very simple game, and the idea is that let's show all the tasks in a map and activate them when the player goes there, and when all the tasks are finished, the game also will finish. For that, what we need to do is very simple. We take the action and say show on map. We take the task and choose all tasks, and then what we need to do is that we need to give them locations. So let's find a nice place from here, and let's add the locations to the tasks. Now what we have here is that we have 3 tasks that have locations. They have also radiuses where they actually activate, and you can change the radiuses here. And we have the rules that show all tasks on a map, and when all tasks are finished, finish the game. And this is playable game, so you can go and start playing this game. What the player will see is that they start the game, they will see all the tasks on a map, and when they have visited all the places and answered correct or incorrect, the game will end. But of course there are much more logic possibilities. You can build all kind of logic constructs with that are dependent from other tasks, timers, maybe QR codes, and also odometers. Some of those blocks might not be activated for you, depending on the package. Now the last step of game creation is the configuration step, and that means giving a game a name, giving a username and password. These are used to actually start the game, giving an intro message and finish message if needed, and then basically saving a game. Now we have a ready game, and what is important is that to go and start that game, you need to install Loquiz application and enter username and password as shown here. You can also start the game by scanning this QR code. So when you want to distribute the QR code instead of the username and password, then within the application, they need to start QR code reader in the start screen and scan the QR code. That will start the game. Now also you want to see the results, and for that we have the results pages built into the Loquiz. And when you navigate to the results pages, then you see that nobody has played this game yet, but it will give you the standings. It will give you all the questions and answers to that question. It will give you photos and videos if somebody has made any. It will also show you the map where the tasks are, and if you have enabled tracking, it will also show the teams and tracks on that. And last but not least, it will allow you to chat if you have a chat activated on your device. And that's pretty much what it does. Thank you.